In today's video, we're going to be looking at how to set up products including feeds, supplements, and other types of product. In At the Yard, we have three types of product. The first, a full product, for example, a wormer, something you can't divide up into multiple pieces. A fractional product, for example hay or straw, something you can have half a bale, maybe 1.5 bales, or something along those lines. Finally, we have a weight product. Now this is generally used for feed, so you might buy a 20 kilogram sack, but you may only have 100 kilograms at a time to make up a feed for a horse. Each is slightly different, so let's dive in and start looking at them. We'll begin with supplements, so this is a full type product. It has a name and a price, and a few other details we can set up. However, that's pretty much it. It's like everything else, and you can just click create product and away you go. The next we're going to be looking at is a fractional product. Now these get a little bit more complicated, but again only requires a little bit of setup. So we put in the name, the price, but this time we need to click allow partial purchases. Under the partial purchase type, we'll click fraction, and that's all we need to do. We can scroll down and click create product. Finally, we can go to feed. So this is a weight style product. So we've given it the name of gold feed. We've given it the price for the entire sack. So if you have a 20 kilogram bag, that bag might cost £20 or dollars depending on your region. Again, we need to click on allow partial purchases, and this time we need to select weight, which is the default. We need to enter size, so a 20 kilogram bag would be 20,000 grams, and we also need to put scoop size. A scoop size is used when setting up the feed fulfillment service, which we'll cover in another video. But just for the setup, what you need to do is choose your scoop, which you'll include in the feed, take a scoop, weigh the contents, and then enter the weight here. So for example, let's say we weighed it and it was 100 grams. Again, all we need to do now is go down and click create product. Now these are all set up, let's take a look from a user's perspective on these three different types of product. We click on products, and we'll go in the same order as we did last time. On supplement, we can click purchase. We have our quantity, 1 to 5. Let's say we want 2 of them. And we click purchase. And that's done. On hay, which is our fractional product, we can click on the portion of the product we want. So it might be half a bale of hay, or say 1.5 in this case. And finally, we can go to products and go to our feed. As you can see, we can enter the weight of the amount we've taken. So let's say we had 250 grams today. At the Yard will automatically calculate the cost for each of those purchases just made. Join us in the next video where we'll show you how to set up a feeding schedule using these products.